Watch me dance, dance the night away. My heart could be burning, but you won't see it on my face.
Hi everyone, welcome to Ballet San Angelo and our sharing dance instruction video. Today we're just going to break it down and then we'll go and perform it. So, okay, step together, clap. So step, clap, 8 of these, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're pulling the rope. So we're pulling low, shift to the side, medium, a little higher, and high. Other side, low, medium, a little higher, and high. We'll repeat that. Do it with us if you can. Down and middle, up. From there, we take it around, arms up, big circles, whatever that means to you, one side. And then reverse it, take it to the other side. We're going down to go up all the way. Flip your wrists, take it down, and then we'll go to the chorus. So she says, watch me. So you're gonna go, watch me. Dance, big rainbow. Circle with the arms, step touch. Dance the night away. Make a heart with your hands. Heart, heart, hand, hand. Through all the way to a pose. So you can be a Barbie pose or a Ken pose or any pose you want. From there, step a foot forward and we're making little sprinkle, splashy movements with your hands and burst it all the way up and we pose here. Pop those knees 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rainbow again and pose again. Step touch and clap. 8 of these. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Around again, one side, other side. Take it down and take it down, up and down again. Watch me. We'll do this again. Big rainbow. Step. Heart. Hand, hand, through, and pose. Splash those hands, reach it, and pose. Pop those knees, rainbow again, and of course a pose again. We'll repeat it a couple times. There are some moments where we won't have like the pull reach, but you'll get it. Let's go. Pull that rope. Other side, low. Up high. Again. Take it around. Other side. Reach towards the ground, all the way up. Watch me. Heart. Pop those knees. Rainbow. Pose again. Step touch. You can always add your own flair. Let's go ahead and take it around right away. Reach down, up, and flip. Watch me. solo. We'll do this 4 times. Double clap right here. No double clap this time, right into the chorus. And improv, whatever you want to do. You can take it around the room, wherever you are. As long as you pose nice and big at the end.